I was a quick, wet boy, diving too deep for coins. All of your straight, blind eyes, wide on my plastic toys. And when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping, or lost you, American mouth, big bill, blooming. Now I'm a fat house cat, cursing my sore blunt tongue, watching the warm poison rats, cursing the wide fence cracks, kissing on magazine photos, those fishing lures thrown in the cold and clean blood of Christ mountain stream. Have I found you, flightless bird, brown haired, bleeding, or lost you, American mouth, big bill, still going down.